Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to bring you a short and sweet video of unboxing the Hazel Pixel 7 Pro. I know this phone has been out for a hot minute now, but my wife is switching over from Verizon to 5 because we're going to be doing some overseas traveling and really like that roaming feature on Google 5. Was able to trade this bad boy in and get about, I think it was like $800 off of this phone. So, you know, if you're making the switch, Pixel 7 Pro, why not? I did main the regular schmegular Pixel 7 for quite some time since its release. I recently just switched my SIM back into my S22 Ultra only because I kind of missed a big screen and just kind of wanted to, you know, switch it up a little bit. But I really did love the Pixel 7 experience, or the Pixel experience in general. So I really do think that she is going to like this phone. Also, just kind of like ups the hype a little bit for the Pixel Fold. I do have that phone on pre-order and I cannot wait to unbox that and give you guys my thoughts on that phone. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this. You got your Team Pixel little branding there and your little Apple-esque pull tabs. Nothing too crazy here. I think this is going to be my first time actually seeing the Hazel in person. And that is very, very cool. Wow. Now it is interesting that the Pixel Fold is going to have the G2. Same thing as the processor in this. Okay, focus. Same thing as the processor in this 7 Pro, and also the Pixel 7, and also the 7a for that matter. As far as the boxage, you got USB-A to C dongle, USB-C to C cable, booklets, and the SIM ejection tool. Oh, and there it all goes. Alright, moment of truth here. Wow. Now that feels very nice and premium. Does not have as much of a curvature as the S22 Ultra. I know the S23 is a lot more boxier, but this has just a very nice, sleek, like, edge to it. It doesn't feel too sharp or too much. It feels very, very premium. You got the legendary Pixel cameras on there. Never liked that the sleep button or power button was above the volume up and down, but not too big of a deal. USB-C charging, got some speakers down there and whatnot. SIM tray. This does support eSIM. That is going to be what we use to activate this, and all around this phone is pretty gorgeous. Let's turn her on. Google. I don't really intend to go too much into detail on this phone in this video. I just kind of wanted to throw up an unboxing vid, you know, got a free phone, so might as well. What are your thoughts on like the Pixel 7 Pro and the Samsung S23 Ultra, even though this is the S22? I'm just curious what camp you guys fall into. I have not used the Pro model of this phone just yet. Like I said, just the regular 7, and even this was an amazing fluid experience, but I gotta say, going from 90 hertz back to my S22 Ultra 120 hertz, I can personally really tell the difference. So I'm really excited to see how this bad boy feels, and yeah. Other than that, just a short and sweet video. I hope you guys enjoy just, you know, going through this unboxing experience with me. Other than that, I really hope you guys have a great day. Catch you later.